Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to this channel. In the class today we're going to learn about robots.txt. You can see on here. We're going to learn about this robots.txt. It's very important for you for optimizing your website so you can control your website. If you register, if you want to connect to Google and then Google do crawling to your website to get indexing, you have to be carefully because not all your content of your website didn't need to be indexed. And one things you have to know, just any content will be indexed, not all of your content, but just any content will be indexed. Okay, and you have to control it using this robots.txt. It is very simple to configure. If your CMS blogger, you just go into your dashboard and then you activate or you can enable button robots.txt. You can customize on your blogger, and there are 3 items in this customize. Number 1 is engine user. Number 2 is allow, and number 3 is allow. Okay, there are 3 items in robots.txt. You can configure each of these items. Number 1, number 2, number 3. It means for number 1, engine user, you know there are many browsers to search any content. For example, I give you an example: Google, Yahoo, and then Bing. These are browsers to help you getting your content website as you user, and then you want to search any content what you need, so you can use this search for searching or for getting your content. Okay, and then you can use engine user. Engine user such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, and extra. And then for number 2, this allow. It means you can control your website can be stopped by Google. So Google cannot take your content website because this content is privacy. So you don't want this content can be indexed, can be appeared, can be crawled by Google. So you can control which one the page of your content can be not by Google. This is for number 2. And number 3, allow. It means Google can be index your website. Google can see your content of website. So you allow Google for doing index your website. Allow. Okay, you just configure 3 items in robots.txt. After you have customs this item, so you can see the result after this configuration. It's around minutes until hours. Okay, for your CMS blogger, it is very simple to do setup. You just activate this button on your dashboard robots.txt. But if you use CMS, WordPress, and others, you can write this code into file and then you upload this file into your website. It is very simple to do it. You can see on this example, you can check the result of robots.txt. You just write in your domain. For example, your domain.com/robots.txt. There are just 3 items: user engine, allow, and disallow. 008, it means user engine for Google. But if you want to set up user engine for any browser, you just type with like this. It is very simple for you to set up this. And then you can see on this user engine for site audit bot. And this user engine for some RAS bot SI. Next, user engine for Yahoo Pipes 2.0. And for disallow, if you want to disallow for all your content, you can write like this slash disallow. And then for allow, same with disallow. If you want to allow your content can be indexed by Google, you just write like this, allow. It is very simple to set up. In here, I will repeat again. In robots.txt, just any three items. They are user engine, allow, and disallow. If your CMS using Blogger, you can set up or you can turn on your button for activating robots.txt. But if your CMS using WordPress, you can write this code and then upload into your website. It is very simple. And then if you to know the result after you set up, you need maybe 1 hour or 3 hours to see the result. I will show you if your website can be blocked by Google. For example, like this, if you want to search, this is the position you are as customer, and then you want to check, and then or you want to know privacy page on any particular website, because this website has been stopped by robots.txt, so you cannot see the content of that website. For example, like this, privacy page. You write on Google with privacy page, and then because this website has been blocked by robots.txt, so you cannot see the content of this website. It means the website has been successfully to disallow by robots.txt. Okay, I hope you understand what I am saying. If your website has indexed by Google, and then you want to remove that content, it is very simple. You just go to Google Search Console, and then you just choose removal robots.txt. It is very simple to remove, to delete your robots.txt. I think enough for learning this robots.txt. I will summarize for this, that robots.txt, it is used to control your website, which one the page of your website can be indexed by Google, or you can be stop your website by indexing Google. I hope you understand what I'm saying. If you have any question, you can comment on below this video. See you next time. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this channel. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.